Energy efficiency has never been more important. That's why Fujitsu air conditioners are designed to be high quality and packed with efficient features like human sensor control and economy mode. Here are some tips and tricks you can practice to efficiently operate your air conditioner. The economy mode on your remote is the easiest way to reduce energy usage. At the press of a button, the unit goes into energy saving mode. The human sensor control feature automatically adjusts the set temperature in the room when no movement is detected for 20 minutes to help save energy. And when you return, the unit will revert back to its previous setting. Make use of the inbuilt timers to program your air conditioner to start heating or cooling your space exactly when you need it. Make sure all your doors and windows are kept closed while the unit is on. Fill small gaps around windows with sealant and seal drafts under doors with weather strips or draft stoppers. A well-sealed and insulated home will help keep the cool or warm air inside for longer, allowing your air conditioner to work efficiently. For more handy tips, visit fujitsugeneral.com.au.